download this app.
Bee, look, a honey jar.
Sweet find, Bear. Oh no, the lid is rolling. Quick, chase it with care.
Slow steps, fast eyes.
Bee eyes are the fastest. Where did it go? Under that leaf, right there. Got it safe, Bee. Great job, Bear. My paw is too big for this twist. Let us give the lid a grippy helper. A leaf ring can help my twist. Yes, a grippy leaf ring. Now it turns smooth and snug. Snug lid, happy jar.
No rattle, no wobble.
Perfect lid check. Now it can join our picnic. Yes, let us make it special. It says, honey for us. That is friendly and fun. Hold it steady, Bee. Steady and ready.
Slow walk, safe jar.
Bee will keep the tag calm.
We are almost there.
Picnic time is near. Picnic ties and chalk bugs. Yes. Picnic cloth ready. Jar in the middle, please. Lid check is done. Safe and snug. It smells... That smells like sunshine. Sunshine honey for two. We kept it safe together. When friends slow down and work together, small problems become sweet. See you! Bye-bye! Follow and subscribe for more fun episodes. Don't forget to click the